Good day, sir. Today, me and my team would like to present our presentation, and that is financial accounting and reporting of a sole proprietorship company. There are four of us in total, and before I start, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Alfred Jonison Anarizino, and first of all, I would like to introduce my group mates before we start our presentation. Me, myself, Alfred Jonison, and the rest is Umar Tamizi bin Muhammad Iskandar, Atika binti Gani, and Aziati Kuratu Aini binti Utuh Dakullah. So, for the introduction, what is accounting actually? Accounting is a tool for providing useful financial information that helps business owner and stakeholder in making the correct decision. And for the use of accounting, there are a lot of usefulness in accounting itself, but in this presentation I would like to touch only four of those. Okay, for the first one is records. Accounting helps to record business transaction, and accounting also helps with decision making based on what has the money has been spent on and how long will the company survive. And accounting also helps control the cost and profit, and also ensures business sustainability. As for the objective, our objective is to apply accounting concepts and principle to a real business entity, and the business entity that we take is Azka Burger. As for the business background, the name of the business, as you can see, is Azka Burger, and it has been established in 2024 and still ongoing now. As for the type of company, it is a sole proprietorship and owned by a single person, and the location it is at Anita Tomyam, Anjong Sari, Lawas, Kuching, Sarawak. Operating schedule for the business is Tuesday until Saturday. It is open on 5 days a week, and for its operating hours, 4 p.m. they will be opening their stall, and until 10 p.m. it's closing hour. And for the business nature of Azka Burger is the stall itself is a food stall, and as you can see in the picture, it is stated that it is a burger based menu filled with a lot of burger varieties. And if we think about burgers, it is a ready to eat food. And for the business objective, they serve affordable food for the community, focuses on quality and taste, and also meet their local customer demand. This is because most of their customer is Malays, and Malay's palate is often referred to a pretty spicy palate because they eat a lot of spicy food, and this will help their business grow and also make their surrounding like them more. That's all for me, and I would like to pass this presentation on to Umar Tamizi. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Umar Tarmizi bin Muhammad Iskandar. So today I would like to present to you a business characteristic for Azka Burger. Azka Burger operates as a sole proprietorship where the business is fully owned and managed by a single owner. The owner that I mentioned is Azka. The business was established in 2024 and located at Anita Tomyam, Anjong Sari, Lawas, Sarawak. Under this business, all capital is contributed by the owner without any partnership or external financing, such as bank loans or any investors. This allows the owner to maintain full ownership of all business assets, including the burger stall, cooking equipment, and furniture, as well as full rights to all profit generated by the business. Azka Burger is an owner-managed business. This means the owner directly involved in all aspects of daily operation and decision making. The owner handles key responsibilities such as food preparation, purchasing raw material, maintaining food quality, managing part-time workers, setting price, and planning any promotional activities. The business Azka Burger operates daily from 4 p.m. until 10 p.m. and also focus on walk-in customer, and they also make delivery service. Yeah. In terms of financial structure, Azka Burger operates without any loans or external financing to avoid future financial burden. As a result, the business has unlimited liability, which means the owner personally responsible for all business obligations. There is no legal separation between the owner personal assets and the business assets. To manage financial risk, the owner choose to operate on small scale and maintain full control over expense and operations. Overall, the sole proprietorship structure of Azka Burger provides simplicity, full control, and flexibility in operation. However, the business also face some of the challenge, such as unlimited liability, heavy dependence on the owner, because in this business, Azka as owner still hard to find any part-time workers, and this means that the owner itself, which is Azka, need to manage all of the operation by itself. This structure is suitable for Azka Burger as its current stage, but may require change as the business grows in the future. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
I'm Atika binti Gani. I will explain about classification of business items of Azka Burger. First, let me explain current assets. Current assets are items that a business can use or change into a cash within 1 year. For Azka Burger, the business has cash and money in the bank. This money is very important for daily operations. For example, the owner uses this money to buy ingredients, pay utilities, and pay suppliers. Because of this, the business can continue operating without problems. Besides cash, Azka Burger also has inventory. Inventory means items like buns, chicken, cheese, sauce, eggs, and rice. These items are used every day to prepare food for customer. Even though inventory is not cash, it can be sold. So, inventory also helps the business earn the money. Next, I will explain non-current assets. Non-current assets are items used for a long period of time. Azka Burger has a burger stall, cooking equipment, preparation tables and chairs. These items are important because they help the business cook food and serve customers. The business does not plan to sell this item in the short term. They are used again and again in daily operations. That is why they are classified as non-current assets. Now let me talk about liabilities. Liabilities refer to debts that a business must to pay. Azka Burger has no liabilities, means the business does not borrow money from the bank and does not buy supplies on credits. All payments are made using cash. This helps the business reduce financial risk. Next is capital. Azka Burger is a sole proprietorship, which means it is owned by one person. The owner provides all the capital for the business. For Azka Burger, the owner invests cash and also a burger stall. This capital usually is used to start the business and pay for daily operations. The owner receives all the profits and is responsible for any losses. Now, I will explain revenue. Revenue is the money earned from selling food. Azka Burger earns around 7,000 ringgit per month, comes from selling burgers and other food items. Revenue helps the owner see how well the business is performing and helps in planning future business activities. Next, let me explain expenses. Expenses are costs that the business must pay to operate. One of the main expenses for Azka Burger is rent, which is around 600 per month. This is categorized as a fixed cost and must be paid every month. Managing expenses is very important to ensure the business earns a profit.
In this section, I will explain about the recording process used by Azka Burger. Azka Burger uses a manual recording system to record its business transaction. Instead of using digital tools or accounting software, all transactions are recorded using a physical bookkeeping record book. This traditional method is managed directly by the business owner. Every time a customer places an order or make a payment, the owner will personally write the transaction details in the record book. This includes all important information such as the type of order made by the customer and the amount of money received for each transaction. By doing this, the owner ensures that every sale is properly documented. This manual recording system allows the owner to maintain a consistent and continuous daily record of business transaction. Since this system doesn't rely on digital devices, internet connection, and accounting software, it is easy and simple to manage, especially for small food business like Azka Burger. Overall, this recording system allows and helps the owner to keep track of sale and business operations in a systematic and controlled way. In this part, I will be presenting about the strengths of accounting recording process that are used by Azka Burger. One of the major strengths of this system is that it is simple and easy to use. All business transactions are recorded in a physical record book, which does not require any accounting software, technical skills, or special training. This allows the owner to record daily transactions in a smooth and consistent manner without facing any difficulties related to technology. Another strength of this system is that it is cost effective. Since Azka Burger does not rely on any digital system, there are no additional costs for software, electronic devices, system maintenance, or subscription fees. This also helps the business to reduce its operating costs, which is very important for small-scale food business. Instead, the money saved can be used in a more essential needs such as purchasing ingredients, improving equipment, or supporting the marketing activities. In addition, the owner has immediate access to the transaction records. Since all business transactions are recorded at the point of sale, it allows the owner to refer to past records without the need for gadgets or internet connection. This is especially useful during busy or peak operating hours. Lastly, the system has a lower risk of technical data loss. It is not affected by system crashes, software errors, or power failures. As long as the record book is properly maintained, the business transaction will remain available, giving the owner better control and reliability of the business information. In this part, I will be presenting about the weaknesses of accounting recording process used by Azka Burger. One of the major weaknesses of this system is the high risk of human error. Since all transactions are recorded by hand, mistakes such as recording of wrong amounts, missing entries, or making calculations error may occur. These mistakes are more likely to happen during busy periods when the owner has to handle many orders at the same time, and as a result, these errors can affect the accuracy of financial information, that making it difficult to identify the financial performance of the business. Another weakness of this system is that it is time-consuming and inefficient. Writing down every transaction manually requires more time compared to automated system. In addition, reviewing and checking past records can be very slow, especially as the number of transactions increases. As the business grows, this method may become more burdensome and may reduce the owner's ability to focus on more important tasks such as customer service and business planning. Furthermore, there is a risk of damage or loss of records. Physical accounting book can be lost, torn, or misplaced, and they are vulnerable to fire, water damage, or theft. Unlike digital records, there is no backup available if the physical records are destroyed. This can cause very serious problem, especially when records are needed for auditing, tax purposes, or future reference. Not only that, the system also limits the financial reporting and analysis. Without the automated calculation, it is very difficult to prepare the financial statements such as profit and loss accounts or cash flow analysis, and the lack of timely and detailed financial information can weaken the decision making and prevent the business from identifying the problems or opportunities at an early age.